You catch her. The messages are there. The lies are exposed. And suddenly, the woman who was cold, distant, and angry for months turns into a puddle of tears. She is begging on her knees. She is promising to do anything to fix it. She tells you it was the biggest mistake of her life. You look at her and you wonder, is she truly sorry or is she just terrified of what comes next? Today, we are going to look at the brutal reality of what happens to a woman's life after the affair blows up in her face. We are going to expose the panic, the regret, and the cold, hard realization she faces when she understands that she traded a diamond for a rock. This is the truth she will never tell you, but it is the truth you need to see to keep your sanity. You think she is crying because she broke your heart. The harsh truth is, she is crying because she broke her safety net. She isn't mourning the loss of you, she is mourning the loss of the lifestyle you provided. Brothers, my ex said I could never grow this channel to 2,000 men in a single month. I need you to help prove her wrong. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and leave a comment right now. The first thing you have to understand is that for a woman, cheating is almost always a calculation. She convinced herself that she could swing from one branch to the next without falling. She rewrote the history of your marriage to make you the bad guy, so she didn't have to feel guilty. But when you catch her, that fantasy world crashes into reality. Most men think that if they leave, she will just go off and be happy with the other guy. They torture themselves, imagining her living a perfect life with the man she chose over them. But that is almost never what happens. Let's look at the first story. We will call him Mark. Mark was a good man, a soft man. When he caught his wife Jessica cheating with a younger guy from her gym, Mark fell apart. He cried. He asked her why he wasn't enough. Jessica saw his pain, and for a moment, she felt bad. She agreed to stay. But here's what happened next. Jessica didn't respect Mark. In her mind, she had just committed the ultimate betrayal, and he thanked her for staying. She saw him as weak. She saw him as a doormat. 6 months later, she didn't just cheat again, she left him for good. She lost all attraction for him because he had no boundaries. The aftermath for Jessica, she spent the next 5 years jumping from man to man looking for the security Mark gave her, but never finding it because she didn't know how to be loyal. She ended up alone and bitter, blaming men for her bad choices. If you are realizing that your kindness might be killing your respect, then you need to wake up. We don't sugarcoat things here. Hit that subscribe button right now if you are ready to stop being the nice guy who finishes last. Now look at the second story. Let's talk about Sarah. Sarah thought the grass was greener. She had a husband, Steve, who worked hard and loved her. But Sarah was bored. She started an affair with her boss. He was rich, exciting, and dangerous. When Steve found out, he didn't yell. He filed for divorce. Sarah moved in with her boss thinking she had won the lottery. But here's the secret about affair partners. A man who will sleep with a married woman usually has no respect for her. He knows she's a cheater. Within 3 months, the excitement faded. The boss realized Sarah came with baggage and drama. He dumped her for a younger single woman who didn't have a messy divorce hanging over her head. Sarah lost her home. She lost her reputation. She lost the good man who would have died for her. She tried to call Steve, crying, saying she realized her mistake, but Steve had already moved on. Sarah's life fell apart because she didn't understand that an affair is a fantasy, but marriage is reality. When you burn down your reality for a fantasy, you end up with nothing but ashes. This is the hidden truth. The affair fog always lifts. When the sneaking around stops and real life begins, the new guy usually looks a lot less like Prince Charming and a lot more like a mistake. If you want to know how to be the winner in this nightmare, listen to the third story. This is Jason. Jason is the man you need to be. Jason found the texts. He didn't confront his wife immediately. He got his money in order. He spoke to a lawyer, and then he packed her bags and put them by the door. When she came home, he told her, "I know everything. You are free to go be with him, but you are not staying here." She panicked. She begged. She used the kids as leverage. She tried to gaslight him. Jason stood like a stone wall. He said, "You made your choice. Now you have to live with it." Jason walked away and focused on his business and his body. He leveled up. His wife? She moved into a small apartment. The guy she cheated with didn't want a full-time relationship. He just wanted a side piece. When she became single and needy, he ghosted her. She watched from a distance as Jason became happier, stronger, and more successful without her. The regret she felt wasn't just sadness. It was a deep, soul-crushing realization that she threw away a king for a joker. She had to live every day seeing what she lost, knowing she could never get it back. That is what happens to a cheating wife when she gets caught by a strong man. She enters a world of regret. She realizes that the boring stability she complained about was actually the foundation of her life, and without it, she crumbles. She will never admit this to you. She will post happy photos on social media. She will try to look like she's winning. But at night, when she's alone or with the man who treats her like an option, she knows she messed up. You have to understand that you are the prize. Her loyalty was the price of admission to your life. When she stopped paying the price, she lost her seat at the table. Do not let her back in. Do not let her convince you that she is the victim. The consequences of her actions are hers to carry, not yours. Your only job is to close the door and lock it. So here is the smart question I want you to answer in the comments below. Do you believe a woman can ever truly respect a man she cheated on, even if he forgives her? Or is the relationship doomed the moment she crosses that line? I want to hear your honest opinion. Drop a comment right now. Let's get a real conversation started. And listen, if this video gave you the clarity you needed, if it helped you stand up straight, then do not click away without joining us. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We are building a brotherhood of men who refuse to be victims. We are taking our power back one video at a time.